This is very similar to our 3D Bundt version. Follow these steps for a delightful finish. First off, get your ganache ready. Warm it up until it's just right for dripping. Now let it flow down the cake, kind of like you're giving it a sweet shower. Just start from the top and let it do its thing. Once you've got those first drips going, fill in any gaps. We want those drips to be all over the cake, like a tasty decoration. Oh, quick tip. Keep an eye out for pooling. We're aiming for just the right amount of ganache, not too much gathering in the middle. Now let's make a toffee ring. Place those toffee pieces in a neat circle around the bundt. It's like giving your cake a sweet little hug. Next up, the caramel drizzle. Be generous with it. I usually do it twice just to make sure those toffee pieces are nicely coated. And to finish it off, sprinkle a bit of sea salt on top. It's like the magic touch, bringing out all those delicious flavors. And there you go. Your salted caramel Biggie Bundt cake is ready to steal the show. Simple, sweet, and a bit salty. Enjoy baking.